treats. Clinically proven 0.5% salicylic acid eliminates pimples and helps prevent acne, clears pores and exfoliates skin. Hyaluronic acid intensely hydrates and replenishes skin. Brightens helps reduce the appearance of blemishes, acne marks and discoloration, makes skin look brighter, smoother. Repairs contains K-Beauty fermented mushroom extract, shown to help speed up the skin's natural regenerating and healing properties, rejuvenates skin and improves skin's appearance. Soothes oil-free, gentle, and designed for all skin types, with a fresh scent. Oxy Total Care Daily Acne Therapy line, introducing new Oxy Total Care Daily Acne Therapy. Each multi-benefit product is formulated with hydrotreat technology, a revolutionary combination of hyaluronic acid plus a dermatologist-recommended acne medication to clear, smooth, and hydrate all skin types. Oxy Total Care takes care of acne and dryness so you can have your best skin shine through. Oxy Total Care works as a system or individually with other Oxy Acne medication products to smooth your skin and take total care of your face. Suitable for all skin types. Oxy Total Care Creamy Facial Cleanser. Oxy Total Care Creamy Facial Cleanser is designed to deep clean and moisturize all skin types. The soothing, creamy cleanser nourishes and moisturizes your skin with hydrating hyaluronic acid as a gentle level of a clinically proven acne medication, clears your skin and helps prevent future breakouts. The light and luxuriously foaming cleanser has a fresh scent that helps awaken your senses and will leave your face feeling clean and refreshed without stripping or over-drying your face. Perfect for daily control of mild to moderate acne at any age. Our special blend of soothing and effective ingredients provides 9 unique skincare benefits to leave your face clear, smooth, and replenished. Top reviews from the United States. Face feels great. Love it. I use it every other day as a part of a face care routine. I have found that after I use my face mask the oil does sting a bit. No redness or marks, may skip using on mask day.